Go to puppeteer.symbioTools.org. Sign up or insert your credentials to login. This is Puppeteer main page. Let's prepare the files to be uploaded. You should have your parts as GenBank files, also 3 CSV files, one for the vectors, one for the plasmids, and one for the overhangs. In this case, we are going to use the modular cloning methodology as an example. Let's take a look on the files. Your file name must be exactly how it's described in your GenBank file. Vector name, resistance, and the 5' overhang and 3' overhang. Provide the same kind of information on plasmids file. Use this file as an example about how to name and specify your parts. Insert not only the overhang name, but also specify the sequence of the overhang. Now that your files are ready, put everything together in a zip file. Now, back to Puppeteer web page, upload the file that you just created. Now, if you go to Parts, you are going to see the parts that you just inserted. You can select them and create a collection of promoters, RBSs, genes, and terminators. If I go to collections, I'm going to find exactly the same collections that I've created with my parts. Now go to Specification to specify which collections would you like to use and which collections you like to combine with. Now give a name to your assembly design. Specify the number of combinations that you want to achieve. Alternatively, you can use Shift to be more specific in your number. The tool will return to you the number of the designs that were created, which is the maximum possible for the parts that you provided. Now find your assembly design and select it. You know how many designs were generated, and also you can now save your files to your computer. Click on the GenBank file symbol below and save the files to your computer. The program has just created GenBank files for all the designs. Visual instructions for the input plates. It contains the parts and volume needed for each part. It also provides visual information about the output plate. And, of course, instructions both for spotter and T-can robots. It also provides human instructions useful to set up your input plates. In order to organize and make the layout of the tool cleaner, you can erase the parts that you've just used. Now you just have to create your plates, set up the reaction, and you are ready to go.